Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Make sure the phone is unlocked and the ring/silent switch is accessible on the left edge. Once done, open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics immediately. You do this because the Vibrate controls live here. Skipping ahead wastes time. Make sure to look for the two toggles labeled Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent. If you don't see them, keep the Settings page open. Next, we check related toggles and accessibility so vibration will actually work. Now enable both Vibrate on Ring and Vibrate on Silent. Flip each toggle so you see green. Once both are on, slide the ringtone volume up a little and press the side buttons to test vibration. This confirms the motor is responsive. If you don't feel anything, make sure vibration is enabled in Settings Accessibility Touch. Toggle vibration on there. You do this because accessibility can globally disable haptics, and that overrides the sounds and haptic switches. Finish by positioning the ring/silent switch how you want, silent with vibration or ring with vibration enabled. Once set, lock and unlock the phone and test again with a call or the ringtone slider to confirm consistent vibration. If vibration still fails, restart the iPhone. A reboot often restores the haptic motor. If restarting doesn't help, make sure iOS is up to date, and then contact Apple support or a service provider. Hardware issues require professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.